give you measurements. I'd say if I had to guess, we got an 8, a 10, and a 12. It was a great day. Anyways, we're gonna try to collapse the 10 now and see how fun it is to get it back in the bag, even if it's possible. We don't know. So here we go.
Good luck. So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm impressed.
All right, now the tricky part. Let me think about this here. What's wrong with this picture? Got it. Oh.
This is entertaining, I gotta say.
Well, no.
Big gust of wind comes, it's gonna blow him right across the lake.
Then we're gonna be flying a kite.
Beginning to look a little complicated.
Well, it's like I don't know exactly. Gotta be down. And these go down, I know that. Can you give me a hand?
I can try.
Just grab the ends and let's see if we can get it to pop down. Yeah, put pressure on it. Beautiful. Oh, it's a two-person deal. Thank you, Rebecca.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
Holy cow.
Now you gotta get it back in the bag.
Yeah, it's still gonna be tough. Ah. Rebecca, you can help me, huh? Inside the bag, there's like a piece of tent material you tie this around. Beautiful. Everything in. Oh, Houston, I have a problem. Hi, everybody. All right, let's try to get that under there again. It ain't going back in the bag.
That's all right.
I can tell you that. Holy smokes. All right. We're loading this up. We're going back to the car, and we're going home.
All right.
We'll see you later. Bye.